How to fix Huawei Nova 13 camera not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. And then again click on apps and open camera. Now here you can see the option storage. Now click on it. Now here you can clear your cache memory. After clear your cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and then scroll down in last and click on system and updates. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it. And here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on reset all settings. After reset the all settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.